Hello, it's me, Morgan. Today, I'm going to be a me emoji. So quite often, I have a lot of people ask me all sorts of questions on how do I edit my videos, or does this certain thing work in a video? What kind of apps do you use? And today, I'm going to be answering one of those questions from a fellow friend who has asked me. Is there any way to make some type of video or something with live photos? Or how can I make live photos into a full clip instead of just the picture? Is this even possible? And it is possible, and today I'm going to show you how. So now it's time for questions on editing with Morgan. Let's get into it. Hello, and I do have an answer to your question. Is there any way to make some type of photo or something with live photos? Or how can I make live photos into a full clip instead of just the picture? Is this possible? Yes, it is possible. I have a certain app that does this, so I'm gonna go over to my movie materials. These are all the things I use to make my YouTube videos or my regular videos. I have iMovie and Video Editor Vlogstar are the two I use most. iMovie does not allow you to make your live photos live. It is simply just a regular photo. So, if you want your live photos to become live in your video, you will need to download the app Video Editor Vlogstar. It's this one right under my iMovie, which comes free with any iPhone. Video Editor Vlogstar is also free, but if you want the VIP, all you have to do is pay like $8. I think either it's $8 or $12 for the rest of your life. You don't have to do $8 or $12 every month. It's a one and done deal, and you get all the special VIP thing. But if not, you can still make regular video just by downloading this app, and you can make your live photos actually come alive in this video app. So you'd want to press start a new project and come up here to your handy dandy photos. You will see right here that I have some photos of my cat doing what my cat does best, and you'll see down in the corner of each of those photos there is a little play button with a circle and dots around it. That shows that it is a live photo. See, that's a live photo that I took there. So I am going to tap on the ones that I want, add them to my video, and boom! Live photos automatically become live in this for you. And if you don't want it to be live, you can simply freeze your photo. So it'll maybe start off moving, freeze it, then can finish moving, and so on and so forth. If you didn't want all of that, you just wanted the frozen video or picture, that's how you would do it. But those were my live photos. Now, all you have to do to get this app is to go to the App Store and type in Vlog Editor Vlog Store. And it's really awesome. It's this one right here. It's got the white box and the V, that is the film that is in the shape of a V, and you'll just want to download it. It's amazing. I really like that app. It's great for everything. It's got all sorts of nice features to it. Also, you could probably figure out a way just by going to regular photos. So it says it's live right here. So if I want it to loop. Doot, doot, doot. that means it'll go in a circle over and over, kind of creating itself like a meme. It will bounce, which is kind of almost the same thing. There's long exposure of your live. Yeah, that one, I don't like that one as much. And then there's just regular live. You can also edit this. You can make it you can choose which portion you want to be the front of your live photo. You can choose just pretty much anything. You can even choose for it not to be live if you really want it to be that way. You can choose volume or no volume, and yeah, you can change the filter on it if you want. You can rotate it, all that stuff, and still have a live photo. So really, if this didn't help any at all, I would say play around with the live photos that you have, and get the app if you want the live photos to turn into video and not just picture, because that was my live photo right here, and here's another live photo. That's Shadow, my cat. So yeah, that's really just about it. I hope this was helpful. And so there you have it. That's my answer, for right now. I like to figure out how the app works usually, and what I can get out of it at full benefit, and what kind of little things I need to do to get around those rough edges so I can make them smoother. So really, I have a lot of little tips and tricks, and a lot of tricks when it comes to editing videos. So, world of YouTube, if you have any questions for me about how I edit my videos, leave a comment and ask. And don't forget, play around with the app and experiment, make mistakes, and try again. It'll be frustrating, but it'll be worth it. This has been Questions on Editing with Morgan. If you have any questions yourself, leave a comment. Oh, and be kind about that comment too. I will gladly take advice as well. I never see you guys, so hopefully you'll be seeing me next time. Bye!